Welcome back. We're doing a box of the Rookies and Stars from Target. I have been a very big fan of this product in the past. It has produced very good numbers for me a couple times. And then again, there's been a video or two that you'll probably see here in the future where I didn't get anything. One video, I got absolutely nothing from it. It's extremely sad. Wasn't real happy with it, but I'm contacting Panini about that box, and we're hopefully going to fix that. And see, you can tell when you get them kind of what's up. So you can tell these two have something in it. So that's a good sign, because I get sad when nothing comes in a box like that, especially for $50. But then I've had hits where I got them 4, so a lot of base though. I am looking for a few cards to complete a set right now. So we'll just scroll through, nothing much. We haven't seen them. I'm trying to flow through this pretty quick now. I'll go through those cards later. I forgot which set. I think I need about 10 cards for a set right now. It's Tom Brady. That is Tom Brady. Is it numbered? It's not numbered. Okay, so I'll put the Tom Brady on the side. Oh, it's a little number there. I don't know what it is. So let's go ahead and go this way with it. David Johnson. Kevin Harmon. 44 of 80, Kevin Harmon. 44 of 80. I don't have that one yet, that longevity. Okay, so far, what have we opened here? We've opened 3 packs so far. We have another 3 to go. Auto should be in here. Oh, got a True Blue. That's cool. True Blue Christian McCaffrey. 47 of 49. That's a cool little card right there. Mullen, Corey, DJ. Looks like we've got our Raquel Armstead. Auto out of 125. It's the 100. So it's the C note of 125. Raquel Armstead, red. That's a nice one. And let's get into our hopefully mem autos. Hopefully we get a vet is what I'm always trying to get, a vet. Josh Jacobs. I don't think this one's going to be an auto. But that's just, oh, I need that Nick Bosa. That's one of the cards I know I need. Weird how I need that one, I know. But Cam Newton. Go a day. That's the 6th card. I don't remember which one that is when it comes to this. Star Search. Metcalf. Unless it's numbered, yeah, definitely have this one. If you collect any of this product, then you definitely have that patch already. I'm going to start doing giveaways and stuff like that where I just give away a bunch of those extra ones that I have. So it's not a booklet. Okay, we got Drew Lock. A whole bunch of other people here. And I can see it's a stars. So it is a star. Was that a true blue? Ooh. True blue. Terry McLaren. Scary Terry, 11/49. That's pretty cool. And here is the... Oh, we got a Kirsten McCaffrey card. And a Mike Williams. I'm not sure, but I don't think I have Mike Williams yet, so that's one of the ones that I need, actually. That's pretty cool. And these are all just going to be base cards right here as well. Very fun video. Very fun box to open. And with that, I'd like to thank you very much. And if you want, like, subscribe, give me any comments if you want to see some new stuff. I'm going to be doing a video in the next week or so of a bunch of Topps baseball. Thank you very much. Hope you have a good one.